It's time for another dynamic demo. Today we're showing off our Dynamic Descaler. Here we have a piece of PVC pipe heavily scaled with calcium carbonate. Watch as we dip one end of the calcium covered pipe into our Dynamic Descaler to remove the buildup. Check out this before and after. One side of the PVC pipe is still covered with calcium buildup, and as you can see, the side that was submerged into our solution is now restored back to like new condition without any negative impact to the PVC.